Use the marquee. Don't try that later. Get my key. She's gonna try to get it.
It's alive. Come on, Katie. Who's a stupid cat? You can do it. Don't blind her. Turd.
I'm sorry.
Not nice.
My arm was numb. Like immediately started to,
What? Okay. Ready.
Ready!
This is so cool.
You got weird stuff. Lady, follow the light.
Hit the bugs. Little bug.
You gotta follow the light. Okay, well. Oh look, I bet we could make her do Bruno Mars this time.
My cat is insane.
Look, watch.
Trash out cats.
Look, because she's still bobbing her head. You should get my key. She's like moving with it.
Hey, Bozo, it's on you. Oh, blinding me!
I'm sorry, my arms are tired. It looks like he's moving. Vicky, look, I can make her bob her head. I don't feel like... Oh, wait, you gotta follow the light.
I'm torn now. Don't blind her.
We need to get a red light.
Oh, we do need... The what?
The chef guy.
I have no idea.
I'm gonna go to Petco and get her.
A laser?
It's blue. Yeah.
I have no idea where they are, so I can't help you.
Yeah, you hit them.
I didn't.
No, she didn't.
I've been recording for the past 2 minutes.
Oh, wow.
3 minutes. Oh!
Sorry, I'm having issues with the light. See, look, she's doing Bruno Mars.
Blind me again, and I will hurt you.
You didn't blind the camera.
You blinded the camera.
How many times?
Several times already.
Ladies alive.
She's like, who just touched me?
I'm trying to get her to do Bruno Mars. She was doing it a while ago. The dog's walking.
She's like, what is this?
If you put some catnip on it, she'd lick it.